Yeah, America, 3.6, Pentastar, just a 15, 90,000 miles. Okay, when you're changing the Serpentine belt, I'm not even sure you need to do it at 90. Look at this thing. This is a Mopar belt. Mopar right there. Belt's perfectly fine. No cracks at all. None. But I got a new one. I'm gonna put a Gates on. Anyway, people, when you're down here, and you got the belt off, test your AC pulley, test your water pump, harmonic balancer. What the fuck are you gonna do with that? Test your pulley on your tensioner. Make sure your tensioner is very firm. Test your pulley and your alternator. Everything's good except this. Hear it? Anyway, that's the IDLER pulley, so I got another one. So, just, I don't know if it's a 13 millimeter, whatever it is. Anyway, take it off, replace it.